Hi, I'm Rosa. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to show you my meal plan for the third week of April. Plus, we're going to do groceries and meals as best as I can. This is my meal plan for the week. Sunday pizza, Monday leftovers, Tuesday out, Wednesday cube steak, and I actually pulled out some cube steak and some ground beef and I have it in the refrigerator. I'm not sure how I'm going to make it, but it's in there. I want to use it. Thursday out probably, Friday leftovers. Not a very thorough meal plan. I'm just not feeling it right now, so I'm trying to push it along as best as I can. Groceries, avocados, veggies, carrots, apples I know I need, and I will be making soup as I do every week. I went to the farmer's market this morning and picked up a couple containers of hummus, and they are messy, so they're staying in the bag for now. Some doggy treats, liver dog treats, honey bells, tomatoes, orange and yellow peppers, a lemon, a pear, a red onion, broccoli sprouts, baklava, and these are treats. They're almond croissants, chocolate croissants, and Belgium chocolate brownie. So just a few things from the farmer's market, and I spent $85. Quite expensive. This is a grocery haul from inside the mudroom refrigerator. I have a 25-pound bag of carrots and a small bag of organic apples, and it was $26.98. We went to a vegetable stand and picked up some calabaza, shallot, onion, malanga, and some poblano peppers. I want to do those poblano pepper tacos again. And the total was $15.96. We also went to Costco and got 2 bags of celery, 1 bag of avocados, a carton of blueberries, 5 bags of carrots. They're 6-pound bags. They're not pictured, and also 2 bags of apples. And the total was $68.49. Dinner tonight is a soup that I threw together with chickpeas, tomatoes, spinach, and carrots. I added herbs de Provence and fennel seed, and the soup turned out really, really good. Dinner tonight is salad and pizza. Takeout. Dinner tonight is salad and leftover pizza. Just trying to use up what we have in the refrigerator. Tonight's dinner is leftover pasta that I had last week. I froze them in these containers with the meat sauce on top, and I just took it out of the freezer, put some cheese on it, put it in the oven to warm through and melt the cheese. So it's a baked pasta, a salad for my husband, avocado for us, and in the toaster oven I have some homemade garlic bread out of hot dog rolls that I had in the freezer. So just a dinner I threw together. Tonight's dinner is cube steak and salad, rice and beans. And that's what's for dinner. We're at the end of another week of menu planning, grocery shopping, and making meals. And let me show you how we did. On Sunday, I actually cooked some soup and then ordered pizza. And then we had leftovers. We did end up eating out. We did have the cube steak, but it ended up being at the end of the week instead of towards the middle of the week. And we had a lot of leftovers. So not an exciting meal week. I did not make the ground beef that I took out, though I'm going to make it for this following week. I did pick up avocados, vegetables, carrots, and apples. That seems like a every week thing. And I did make the soup. So a successful week, yes. A very fun menu, not exactly. But everybody ate, nobody went without, so it was good. I've been cooking, but I really haven't been into it this past week or few weeks. I've been busy with work and other things that I need to get done. So cooking has seemed more like a chore to me lately, and I need to turn that mindset, change it so that I can continue to make meals, because this is something I need to do. And that's obviously my struggle right now. Now for our recap. On groceries, we spent $196.43. And on eating out, we spent $385. That also includes any lunches that we might have eaten out throughout the week, or coffee or anything else that we have done. And then that brings us to a total of $581.43 for the week. The third week of April added into our totals $196.43 in groceries, $385 in eating out, for a total of $581.43 for the week. If we add that $196 to what we spent the weeks 1 and 2, we come up to $565.29 and $1,083.54 total for the month of April on eating out. And our grand total for the month is $1,648.83. And that's how I did with my family meals for the month of April. Not the best, but not bad either. We'll move on and plan for our 4th week. And I can tell you right now, we're gonna have tacos. I have ground beef in the refrigerator. I honestly don't get tired of eating tacos. It's not something I grew up eating, but tacos are so good. But anyway, I'm going to move on to the next week and plan our next meal plan. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.